Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's M. Modest here on board the Battleship Iowa. Just really quickly, I want to go ahead and update on my poll that I gave out last week. So I haven't been able to give out the video about what the conclusion was, but I do want to show you that I will go ahead and build the tank. So I'm going to go ahead and complete a Hobby Boss's Lagoon tank. It's what many of the posters were asking me to do. GERALD Ford, you will be built. I will take care of you. It's not going to happen for quite a while. So I do want to thank all my posters that I'll mention to you later on in this video. So really quickly, I want to thank all my subscribers for mentioning Derek Cross 118, Michael Henry 7243, Modeler 705, and De Cruz ZZZ 6951. Thank you, my subscribers, for helping me out and making my decision on what I need to do for my future model builds with the tank and the GERALD Ford. So thank you guys. Just a short video about what I wanted to do, and thank you for your pull and your assistance. Thanks. This is Hey Mo. Take care.